Right, this is to any other Jaguar X-Type 2-litre diesel owners. I've had a right nightmare over the last day, and quite simply driving to go to the park, the engine cut out. It was almost like a run out of fuel, but there was plenty of fuel in it. I tried to jump it, wouldn't jump, broke down, had a friend tow me back home. I'm a bit of a mechanic, so I know what I'm doing, and I'm going through everything. My symptoms were I would turn on my ignition, there would be a clicking sound from the fuse box, my radiator cooling flange, it was actually the glow plug, we found out it was the glow plug relay. My fans would come on, whirring all the time. I would get engine light on the dash. Now the alarm was flicking away like mad. At first I thought it was something to do with the keys not pairing in the ignition.
The water.
I thought it was my water sensor
sender unit,
which was underneath there.
Crankcase,
I thought it was the crankcase sensor wasn't picking up. I thought it was the battery. I bought another, well, I had another battery. And
stupid.
So I took the battery out and I thought I'll go with basics, because I couldn't see any fuses gone the first time. I'll go with basics. I one by one took all the fuses out, and it turns out to be
F21.
F21. And F21, as you can see on there, the diesels only, apparently is the, well, it says oxygen sense heater, petrol only, but the airflow meter and engine control module. So because I took off the EGR yesterday to give it a good clean out, the only thing I can think I've done, because I don't think it's those down there, as I've taken the mass airflow meter out, something's got inside it and it's blown that fuse, because that is on the same line.
You can pull it out now and show the symptoms.
Yeah, I'm not going to put it now, show the symptoms, but yeah,
if that starts clicking.
If you get like me,
click, 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 click.
If that clicks like mad,
not the relay.
It's not the relay.
Yep.
And if your fans come on with your ignition and the engine won't crank at all, but you're getting your ignition lights, it's not the immobilizer. Just go through everything. It's just that fuse, which is F21. 20, was it 31?
F21. And it's a 15 amp fuse.
F21, 15 amp fuse, which you've changed, and now everything is back to perfect. So. I hope that can help any Jaguar
other people.
I'll
try and find you the right